I mean, okay. Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, as always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together?
Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this look because I got some things to do and people need to see me. You hear me? Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline series. This is the unit Katiana. I got her in the color DR2/ginger brown, and she does retail around that $40 price point depending on the site that you get her from, as well as the color that you choose for your unit. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has the attached elastic band on this unit to make this unit glueless, but as we have seen with all the other units from this collection, they run a little bit small when it comes to that band. Your temples will be pulsating if your head is 23 gang and above. You hear me? So I didn't even bother putting on the elastic band with this joint. I just got it on my head with my wig grip, and that is it. Now, this is a high-tex fiber unit, and it is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use my blow dryer on high heat just to get my unit all together, especially with the flyaways and the poofiness of the unit. It wasn't too poofy out the pack, but it was poofy enough that I ain't really like it on me. So I wanted to silk her out just a little bit to give it a little bit more of a sleek look, and I like how it looks now. Now, the style of the unit is pretty basic. It's a straight back middle part, nothing crazy going on. The features of this unit is supposed to be that of the Melted Hairline. I mean, it does have the HD lace and the 5-inch parting, the natural baby hairs. I mean, okay, I can get with that. The redesigned ear contour, yeah, and the elastic band. Yeah, I can see that, but as far as the hairline is concerned, that frontal effect hairline, it's not really coming with that. As we have seen with a lot of units from this collection, the hairline is not hairlining the way it's supposed to, okay? We not getting that frontal effect hairline with this joint, and I honestly didn't feel like doing too much with this unit, okay? So I try to keep it real simple without doing a lot of plucking, if that makes any sense. So I knew where I wanted my little swoops to be, right on the side of my temples, and I knew I wanted one right here in the front. If you don't want to rock the swoops, you don't gotta rock the swoops, but I wanted to rock the swoops for my unit, and I think it came out really nice. So all I had to do was get rid of the hair that was in between those spaces, and that's how I got my hairline together, okay? Now Outre, come, sit down. I really want the hairline back, okay? Give us the hairline back. I appreciate it. I mean, maybe we'll get it for Christmas. Maybe, Do I need to hope for the hairline? Oh my goodness, I hope I get the hairline. No, I wish, okay? I wish you would give me the hairline. Please, give me the hairline, please, please. Oh, I'm saying a lot. Now the texture of this unit is like a light yaki, and y'all know I love the yak, okay? I love the yak. Now I did get some shedding with this unit as well as a little bit of snags, but nothing crazy. I would definitely say this ginger brown is really nice on me. It looks real good. It looks real good. I mean, listen, you cannot get the color job like this on a human hair wig with these inches in texture for no $40. Okay, so get the bundles. Okay, get the bundles. $40, $40. I mean, clearly Outre is telling us, look, take these wigs. I mean, we're gonna buy them anyway. But keep the pressure, okay? Keep the pressure on them for the hairline. You hear me? Listen. On the necks. You hear me? If this unit had the hairline like it was supposed to, this would be a 10. But as it's sitting right now, she's not exactly a 10, but she close enough. Show up to dinner, give the looks, and leave. Okay, listen. People need to see me. Okay, people need to see me. I mean, okay. Go ahead and get her. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.